In this video, we're breaking down the Digital Nomad Quest, Remote Rental Riches course. What's inside, who it's for, and whether it's actually worth your money. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and if you're thinking about investing in real estate, but you feel overwhelmed by the process, then this video is for you. This course claims to help beginners buy out-of-state rentals that cash flow. No experience required. So let's find out if it lives up to the promise. The story behind Digital Nomad Quest. Sharon and Sean aren't just influencers regurgitating textbook advice. They've lived this. Sharon left her job at Google in 2016 to travel the world, all while building up multiple streams of passive income, including from real estate. Sean left the traditional path to become a full-time real estate investor. Between the two of them, they now own over 20 rental properties and pull in over $25,000 per month in rental income. This course was born from their real experiences, both the wins and the mistakes, and it's structured to help you skip the painful trial and error phase that most beginners go through. It's meant for people who are motivated but overwhelmed, people who want to get into real estate but just need a clear step-by-step plan. What is this course about? Remote Rental Riches is a part of the Digital Nomad Quest brand, and it's laser focused on helping you buy your first out-of-state rental property. It's not a fluffy mindset course. It's not about flipping houses or wholesaling. This course is purely about long-term buy and hold investing and doing it remotely. So whether you live in an expensive city where buying locally doesn't make sense, or you just want to tap into stronger markets across the US, the course gives you the roadmap to confidently make your first purchase and manage it from anywhere. And the best part is that you don't need to be a financial wizard or know how to calculate cap rates in your head. The course breaks it all down. What's inside the course? Now, once you're inside, you'll find over 60 plus videos walking you through each phase of the process. And it's not just watch and forget. There are downloadable worksheets, calculators, quizzes, scripts, and templates designed to help you actually do the thing. Some of the tools include a property analysis calculator, worksheets for goal setting, real estate terms, and due diligence, scripts to help you contact and vet property managers, agents, lenders, and contractors, checklists to keep track of each step. You also get case study videos of Sharon and Sean showing their processes in action, from deal analysis to team building to walkthroughs. This is where the learning really clicks, because you're seeing it happen in the real world. And yes, lifetime access is included. That means every future update, market shift, or tool that they add is yours at no extra cost. A step-by-step breakdown of the course content. Let's walk through what you actually learn in the course section by section. Market research. So this is where it all starts. Instead of just telling you to find a good market, the course shows you how to do it. You'll learn how to identify growing cities and neighborhoods using tools like Zillow, Redfin, and various free data websites. You'll understand how to evaluate things like job growth, population trends, crime stats, and median home values, all crucial when you're buying in a place that you've never even visited. It's surprisingly approachable. They even give you a checklist of criteria to narrow down your ideal market. Property analysis. This part is all about running the numbers, and not a scary spreadsheet heavy kind of way. You'll learn how to evaluate deals, calculate cash flow, and determine your return on investment. Their property analysis calculator does the heavy lifting. You just plug in the numbers and see if it makes sense. The focus here is on conservative investing. They aren't pushing risky, aggressive strategies. It's about finding solid, reliable properties that will make money month after month. Building your team. You can't do this solo, especially not remotely. One of the most valuable parts of the course is how it teaches you to build a dream team. That includes your real estate agent, lender, property manager, inspector, contractor, and more. Sharon and Sean walk you through how to vet each person, what questions to ask, and what red flags to look out for. This is gold for anyone who's nervous about trusting strangers in a different state. Financing your rental. This part surprised me with how detailed it was. The course goes over conventional loans, DSCR loans, portfolio loans, and even creative financing options. They explain how to prepare financially, how to work with lenders, and how to avoid getting stuck during underwriting. They even provide templates for gathering your documents and tips for improving your credit or DTI before applying. The escrow process. This is where a lot of people freeze up. Escrow feels like a black box when you're new, but the course makes it digestible. You'll learn what to expect once your offer is accepted, how to read read inspection reports, how to negotiate repairs, and how to communicate with your team during this crucial stage. They break it down so it feels like a checklist, not a minefield. Exit strategies. While the course is focused on long-term rentals, it doesn't ignore the exit. Sharon and Sean explain when and why you might want to sell, refinance, or convert your property into another strategy like a short-term rental. They also help you think ahead, so you're buying with the exit in mind. Scaling your portfolio. Finally, the course looks beyond the first deal. Once you've done this once, how do you do it again and again? There's an entire section about building systems, organizing your finances, reinvesting profits, and avoiding burnout as your portfolio grows. This is the long game, and they give you the tools to play it well. Student results and success stories. Nothing says this actually works like real-life student success stories. Here are a couple that stood out. Jordan B said the course gave him the confidence to buy his first rental property within 3 months of signing up. He followed the process exactly, and now cash flows over $300 per month from that first deal. Adrian V had zero experience and felt overwhelmed by all the info online. The course helped him cut through the noise, build a team out of state, and close on his first duplex. Now, it's not just fluff. People are taking action and seeing real results. Lessons from Sharon and Sean's early mistakes. What makes this course unique is that it doesn't just show the highlight reel. Sharon and Sean openly talk about the mistakes they made when they were starting out. Hiring bad contractors, underestimating repair costs, choosing poor property managers, all the usual beginner traps. But instead of just warning you, they built the course specifically to help you avoid those same issues. Their templates, scripts, and checklists are like little bumpers to keep you from going off course. It's like having mentors who already made the mistakes for you, and now they're handing you the playbook. Bonuses and lifetime access. One of the biggest value adds of this course is the lifetime access. That means every future update, new video, or added tool is yours for free. Plus, they continue to add new case studies and student interviews as the course evolves. You also get access to a private student community where you can ask questions, share wins, and connect with other aspiring investors. That kind of support is worth its weight in gold when you're tackling your first deal. So, is Digital Nomad's Quest course worth it? Back to the original question, is this the best course to get into real estate for beginners? If you're looking for a straightforward, step-by-step guide to buying your first out-of-state rental, Remote Rental Riches is hard to beat. It's practical, it's detailed, it's built for real people, not just aspiring moguls or full-time flippers. And more importantly, it's doable. You don't need to be rich, you don't need to be experienced, you just need to be ready to follow the process and take action. If that sounds like you, this course could be the starting line of your journey toward financial independence. So if you want to check out the course, I've included the link down below in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we provide honest reviews and breakdowns of online courses, covering everything from course content and pricing to real student success stories. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you here in the next video.